Alright, so I think we're ready to go. So give it up again for Capital Pants.
Tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. Don't expect me to be fine, don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love, but even the sun sets in paradise. Now I'm at a paper. Man, F that ish. I'll be out spending all this money while you sent me around and wondering why I wasn't picking up from nothing. Made it from the bottom when you see me now I'm stunning. All of my cars start with the push of a button. Telling me to change, I blow up or whatever you call it. Switch the number to my phone so you never could call it. Don't need my name, I'm sure you can tell that I'm all switch.
What a shame, could have got picked. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top, or what you could have saw. Sad to say it's over for. Phantom rolled up, ballet, open doors. Wish I got away, got what you were looking for. Now it's me, do they want you to go take that little piece of ish with you?
I'm at a pain.